Hello guys, today I will be showing
How
you
to set data usage limits per application on Android. Well, Android doesn't allow per data caps, but this method I'm going to show you right now will help simulate the behavior by limiting access. So first is first, you have to go to your settings, and this time you have to locate mobile and network. Tap this one right here. Now you have to tap on this data usage below. Click this one. Now you have two options here. Just tap on mobile data limit. Click this one. After that, what you're going to do next is you have to set daily mobile data limit, start date for data usage stats, daily mobile limit, and set monthly data limit. So all you have to do is to select your preferred option here. Just click that one. Now you can set a reminder that if you reach this limit right here, then you will see this notification. Also, again, if you tap on this daily mobile limit, if you reaches 50 MB, then you will be notified with this. You will be reminded that you need to decrease or you have this too much data usage of your application or of your Android. So basically, that's it. This is just how simple it is. Again, there is no per application. It's general and for all. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.